You can memorize every candlestick pattern and map out perfect support and resistance zones only to watch your trading account bleed out. This failure often stems from the brutal math of operating a micro account with only $200 or $500. On a $200 account, 3 losing trades can wipe out a massive, unrecoverable percentage of your working capital. Talented analysts are forced out of the market because they lack the capital required to absorb standard statistical variance. Proprietary trading firms, or prop firms, like FundedNext, act as a structural solution to this capital bottleneck. These firms provide retail traders with thousands of dollars in corporate capital, effectively removing the personal financial risk from the individual. But why would a calculated financial institution risk its own capital reserves on unproven amateur retail traders? It starts with a leverage of resources. A trader pays a small, refundable evaluation fee, roughly $59, to unlock the opportunity to trade a $6,000 account. To access the actual funded account, you have to prove your competency by passing a multi-phase evaluation challenge. The performance requirements are specific. You must reach an 8% profit target in Phase 1, followed by a 5% profit target in Phase 2. This challenge acts as the firm's filter, ensuring the trader can generate consistent returns before they are granted access to live capital. The prop firm model functions through a specific architecture of strict risk guardrails. These boundaries protect the firm's assets. There is a maximum overall loss limit of 10% and a strict daily loss limit of 5%. If a trader takes a single loss that strikes this 5% daily boundary, the system instantly disqualifies them and locks the account. To survive, traders must mathematically restrict their risk to no more than 1 or 2% of the account per trade. The firm is utilizing strict math to automatically eliminate emotional traders, effectively outsourcing profitable labor to those who respect these risk parameters. Receiving a funded account is a major milestone, but it doesn't guarantee a permanent place in the market. Many funded traders fail because they abandon their guiding rules, succumbing to overtrading and letting emotional impulses override their risk parameters. Access to a premium platform and large capital is useless without the internal discipline required to manage risk continuously. Before entering an evaluation, use a demo account to test your strategy and build a habit of risking exactly 1% per trade. Market survival depends on the unwavering discipline to follow the mathematical rules that protect capital, regardless of